Hey, this is part 2 of the 2011 Cows and Corvette show. It's in Bossier City. Got the C4. Don't know too much about it. Collector's edition. That's what it says. C6 convertible. Not a grand sport, but it's clean. Heads up display I can see on the dash. Oh, I wonder whose cars this is. Okay, well, it's actually mine. This is my newly purchased C5 Targa, regular C5. Stepped back and got an automatic. Just want to cruise. I had my fun with my blue Z06. Did my running and whatnot, but I'm just chilling right now until I get out of grad school. No more racing for a while. After grad school, I plan on getting one of these, if not a Viper. C6 Z06, black. Very nice. Maybe one day. LS7. Carbon intake. Clean, nice. Got the Z06s down here. Another C6 Z06. I assume it's still Millennium Yellow in color. Yeah, it's nice. Go take a look at some of these other cars over here.
This one I did a lot of research on, by far the best actually built.
I think got Jetstream blue C6 right here. Grand Sport, yeah. LS3. It's nice how they color match the injector covers with the exterior paint. It's clean. Very nice. A lot of grand sports out today. Convertible. 2011. Another C5. Same color as mine. Got an intake. Not sure what else. 2004. Got the original window insert from the sale. It's pretty nice. Cup holder, dual cup holder. Sucks. C5s don't really have cup holders in them. It's clean. Nice C6 here. Red. Oh, manual. Very nice. LS2. Looks to be it's an old 06. I know they had the LS2 in them in 05 and 06 at least, before they switched to the LS3. Nice. Nice old school. Yeah, it's clean. Very nice. Side exhaust off the header. 420 Nice. Well, that's about it as far as I see so far. If I see some more cars pull up, I'll be sure to shoot some more vid. All right. Peace out.